Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Miner. Today, that new buy stuff. How to anything out, shutting down my money farm. Um, gotta go down the road, shutting down. I'm gonna shut it down for a couple days. One thing is clear. I had to do maintenance, and I think because we're not super profitable right now, this is the best time to go and doing that. Also, I got some rip, I got calibrate and stuff like that, and this is gonna be just a short video talking here and let you guys know shutting down. I'm currently like a 1.5 mega gigahash, so it's time for me to shut it down, not for the reason I don't have the money to pay the electricity. I got it, but instead of wasting that money on electricity, I can go get the time, clean it out, and that money I'm gonna pay for the electricity, I'm really gonna just strengthen it to buy the coin during that time, and then when I come back online, we're gonna come back to mining. For the moment, it's probably for the mount rig again, the car and the process I gotta do in the whole cleaning process the way I like to doing it. Gotta do sonic cleaning and stuff like that. So roughly it's gonna be 2 week cleaning, and I'm gonna do video through 2 weeks. Rig I going through every week and load everything out for you guys. All right, guys. That was the only thing I wanna tell you. Ready showdown. I include showdown the test computer, the normal I got right here. That one is ready cleaning. Now what I'm gonna move to that one is I'm gonna start doing spec mining. There's only 3 cards on that one, not consuming power at all, but they're really clean. So it's no point to show to cut it off that one, but I can use that one to make any kind of coin like that, like spec mining coin stuff like that we need it. So all right guys, so that was a small video talking here. I'll see you into the next one. Peace out and happy mining for you. I hope so everybody stay safe and keep making all that money we need. See you into the next one. Bye.